And I'm also say, Montana and my judge for no son plunging the nation into chaos. Me pacho, or because I say we are. What is contemptuous about it? Tell me.
Whenever I say my PENDREAM TV there, I see them yopo.
Listen, the MPP for ye. Now the almost say I hear you mobile weapon, omo call for no, omachita for no weapon. Now mama, mine aye saka. And some of my satia omo ekeka enono. Well, my man enye with the info me.
Na Mugabe. The bia e wo democracy ni bia no. Boni fe no free famikwa. But the word free no na sometimes when you probably would dia ingita ho a o ma dwen yo wo say yes free ntino de e be free wa adwun be bia no kan without recourse to say ekotia obi fa ahodie so ana say ekwakosi obi nso so e freedom ho kwan empanifo wakasa bi say wo kan ma obu adwo no na wo kan obi nso bu afu enunti da bia no kasa ye kan obadwam no wo hwe se ne yen yedi nkita ho na me kasa obi de me na hu no na meka and in pepi no obi o wa na me we fi ne ho se e wo se wo ye research ansa no obabadwam ababe ka asemu a sabi nkita ho a ye die se ye research and ye de ye adwuma enti se Listowell kasa usu betimi akabi but you must back it with facts.
Didn't it say the by justify.
And only the difference no. And then I list to Omuko Kasa and Omuka Omadri Yanchi Omo. Sebi penny tiwa. What say Fenyan Sananti. And he say I said Minu Obi Kasa Makama again na Adriano Mankano based on facts. And to some abegina hanum. So bo ben na media bo obi oni pakwa kokota wedi bemu a wetimi aba besame. Every time go for kokot there bia. No de me kokot kra me enter appearance impo. But as am ready for because this na bi ne nko for me nam hoyi. Me timi nkwa gina se me ko buase na nabi we. Sabi o yese wo wa wo boni a na wo to ba bi nka. Because me nam ko me free Mugabe wo se me bodyguard na ntida. Me kwa na me nam. Me nya me chese me nya bibia ebetia fa hodie so anasa de mra ade mbekwa akogina mra nim se Listowell akoka ansem binti yemfa me nko hange no da bia bi ni ho because ansa na manu emidi besie no na wankasa no mewie no na wo obi disa Afenyo-Markin because so we lawyer ni na wo lawyer ni no o profession any say we be make sure say emra be ya adwuma na lawlessness na wo lawyer ni udidi jaja tema we na fa na me ko gina no makobua lawyer ni odidi jaja tem ebio fa na ni efiba ye be se enkwasum bi mu ewa akufo do apenso wa bra ye asebio ye Ghana fo a ye gi ahudi se ye nya ye fa ahudie no ni pakuo bi a mo ye akufo do ni ma ade ye ko enkwasum ema afei ubie wano akasa obadwam a na ayehu Mugabe me de be free wo woni nuanu menu asem so na mabobwa ba be si time a omunya atumi de omode ye Ghana fo di Ghana fo ani ama ye nyina ye de abu nsani ani Mugabe me na mko ye press conference and a press conference no me kan wo mu say Justin Sule gbedegbe a Nyankopon ato ne nsa afre no menim se bonsa na afre ne de amintimi nka now onu ko katre ma me Charlotte say omo judge fo no omo ntena ho emma eye ma me Charlotte say plunge the nation into chaos. Mugabe, true or false? And you know what discussion na moye. And I must say Montina ho emma judge for no so plunging the nation into chaos. Me pacho, because I say we are. What is contemptuous about it? Tell me. enu nti na me mo be kai se mo kɔ court no
national health insurance
yes
ma yemfa enye
ma mo fa nya election ana mo ye ruling na mo say ono no na ye national health insurance registration no ye expand na national health insurance no so no eye papa ya ye fra no Afenyo eno ye sa registration no eno ko retirement ena Charlotte say ebe inherit registration no wa ye register no wa ye no ena mo ko ya mo judge for no mo kasa no you are not speaking to facts ma me so for yakufu no ka ho ena because say so for yakufu no ne yakufu do na ye no ni chambers nti no o mo be chi mu no mo de ko tu mu ena mo so mo ko no me ka che mo say e ma mo ko plead not plead guilty you are not guilty because asem na mo ka no is based on facts ena mo so there bi mu de mu buade enti no sebi mo be kwa akopa chew na enya hwe se pani se wafom na te se amamre ni amanne mu no mu de mo be kwa akopa chew me boa ena mo ko na mo se mu nka hwe e chew pa na mo de beba me boa ena mo se e chew na mo pa no enti no wu mo gabi de you spread them on say mo enka more say more more fire and look more fire keke kra kan enti no wo konsawem meboa
30,000
you know say 30,000 na ato ho ya ono radio wura otini fie no yeso onu sun 30,000 babo of blessed memory
frequency owner
ono so frequency owner yeso onu sun 30,000 this ruling eba wo Ghana ha
contamination will be 30,000
akoga kwa de ono no sada no crime say no ni ho
in the studio omukoka
oni studio ho eso kra ya bi ni kotum
so manyu madwe so mbeti obia
just say we have had this
and Afenyo was there
na that time no Afenyo no ene your friend is saying Attàck ko kan no radio so say enkofo mo mbekom 3 months apapepepe na dem 3 months all these things Attàck ene Attàck na na asene Judge Wood ade already
Moka see for Omofa Yumumu man tesa Attàck ka 3 months
oh Mugabe me I don't look I speak to facts he said that he's okay telling me I have never lost my memory I remember everything from Adam Meka to last thing I remember everything
after saying your pardon be there to san kokko
yes o san kokko say Adam Meka say MPP lawyer be any or lawyer ni papa onimumra onim judge Professor Antibedi I have questioned him on several occasions say on chain me for be on the first degree on chain only be but he's a lawyer Mr. Lawyer be or MPP ni be on lawyer ni papa they only know the judge because they procure judgment
judge the body away any day
the whole thing about this has to do with one thing free speech and chese kekankwasi asem bia free wa adwum speak to facts because failure to speak to facts can lead you to a certain defamation of character suita eno no eye remedy anipa na waka senatia no so court no wentimi substantiate you claims ye betimi ama sabi bibia diw ebi ni say metime ba bi na yeti studio na akufo do mi abom ti akufo do ya akokora yi ya na no ayesemi de ya wono wodi asewa ko dan court to say me Listowell na Poku Mensa Thompson at the studio ka say we use private jet presidential jet no and to the Listowell according court I didn't even grant him the audience or the respect of filing or entering appearance man court what that because me so son kwasi afro so na me so son kwasi asem so
to anko
man si court order untime so metene me na me si maka ma asem asema me kan ne say he is the younger brother of the president asema me kan nyina no e no mo de me kan shoot no ho me si court order the only defense on defamation and say no kure asema me kan no is he not the younger brother of the president it we wa jimi na de me kokota na me miss ma sorry na me de me jimi na me de wachi adan ya we Yakufo do nia and so what Yakufo do na mu ye hwan bi ni pa na ni pa mu odme kokota me si hoda me ti me ba bi e na me ti se ye se me yadima court no ya serve me akufo do me yadima court nti ya serve me te why say am judgment before judgment me ko tua 10 million and am say beje ne lawyer be frame na me say me masama na ma owu me owu na me lawyer owu na me judge enti me nko judge anim me die owu me ba ya na masama wa ma owu enti nkofo bebo ma wu no me na masama wa bobre ubewu enti se defense a odi be call for defamation no credit a ubete studio ha kanokra and ye shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. Exactly. And I made them no credit na make come no credit na mo no enye yen and enemo eya adwen e wo bibi ho beka no credit fagu aban ani mu ase kanokra keke ebia mahama uba ye sebi yadu mekania eye no kure se yadu nkania obi antimi fa mbamba ye na se asaso kania no so asabedi no kure se mahama uba ye yadu nkania but within the shortest possible time owura John Jinapa Bwadwuma ma asaso kania no meboa eti no aka statement of fact na ubeka se adena Listowell mo keka ye yanti wo mo bobi ansa menua bobi ansa asemo ko kan ni se aviation fo asase da ho ena ma me Rebecca Kufodo one Mamudu Bawomi ayiri ye makeup auto makeup ye friend say Samira Bawomi Indian queen wo mo akwa wiya aban asase na so o ma fo o ma wiya aban asase because aban asase no person use aban asase you have to apply. And that's how the president you need to call ya or say matu boa 20 baby e boa ko kan no mo foundation to ho there be you have to go through the process and no more answer say so there be you didn't go through the process and no more answer no beda kwabra bobi answer and what na radio so no kan ewa ya po show ye kofi ya no makọ mo kwabra bobi answer de na kwa akotum na na bi ogana ha na bi wa but me en Kenya safo asem ni yan kwasiafo no mo na me kotum wọ́n kwatu mu no ẹna yẹn so ba ho de be ye dede ẹna ye dede ma de tie ẹna the world over obi ate ye na ene Kufodo ama from world international ye friends press in afai BBC phone in afai semishia ewo oh we interview na yes you came there at night when did money na asema kwa no bobi ansa kan no be pim na asema da so court na ko busa asem say eye hwan be seswan president here we the republic na me catch us people lawyer we jini na obodam a na go federal meeting na ko file the republic versus kwa bobi ansa Kufodo here we republic one to abaye no I mean what kind of stupidity is this now when all these things happen then you want to question the current regime on this mess. What are granted?
Bafuboni ni nua Eugene Bafumoni. So ejele na Kufodo. Na papa na onye chief onye supreme court.
Oh, supreme court judge.
Ejele ni nua.
Yes. I don't know ye. Ni nua na fa ho akode kreachi. Na me fa de kreachi.
Oh no, Eugene Bafumoni do.
No, bakuno na.
Babo de.
Babo no, yes, Babo so.
We exclude no.
Yes. Babo na make nyame fa no crazy.
Ye case ne dey justice ye Bafuboni yi no film.
We no film. Say want me because of leniency. Oh, so if all these things have happened in the past, now yati asepa Mensa Thompson yati no ohene ba ni nam ne baby and o ka na asem a statement of facts yati na kotum yene na ho ede na mo anye asofo awodo Jesus ahofe kese wan na mo anye no na jagezi bedu ko bi mo intimidate asofo Uganda hadi di o matem radio so ni nyina obi afi mu kene Japan na no si se ye de tabo so wani obi atem
fiensi odi judge atem high court judge we say we stupid ono atena na sem so
na mo be ka selective justice I mean when sometimes in politics na ye no emma nipa eni no kre
ofon the dinsem fun
but media me pese me kan okura ko wom even when it has to take my head I don't care me kan okre no And you know, if we have come from this trajectory, now what you find say if na try the papa I was say koswa. Emremu ye friend be precedent. Yeah, emra say judge be a rule. Na say obi an challenge judgment now. It becomes a law, especially when it's at the Supreme Court. And you know, Samono, Matimia for Quenya 2 minutes would be a year and some free way. I dare me person a question and say, why must it be wrong to do same under another regime? Because the mama pa tell say or hineba ya pa tell say ya chi utunu. Kwabra bobi ansa ya pa tell say ya chi utunu. Mogabi masi. The choir first why a chill only William at least any Akogan Akogu Mono.
Kufado by what the original court to train.
Was that do Jai? Mechanics discharged.
Circuit court 6.
Yes. And no
judge need dia semna ko dru baby a wo ya baby asem no mo transfer.
Yes.
And then the consum.
Yes.
And the judge for free Kumasi.
Yes.
E buy.
What I say? All these things have happened. Now, if we want to question the justice system of this country
and panic because my cousin be already so movie saying
we have could they substantiate
evidence?
Could they substantiate? They couldn't. But who can look
Mako 5 ye be DCOP.
Yes. And so they couldn't.
Oh.
What I say? It no cry and a year.
What has changed?
The only defense. It is a mujidi munko for ayati omu. No cry no mukanya. Why must you worry? Go to court and defend yourselves. Muna na kaniya ya must go to court. Musu ya team ya fa mu ko jina baby anya court na do mkoye. Anya court na ma obi ya friends abro nya remand. And I say President Mahama in office na so mo fa ni nkotum.
There be that.
Oh, it me hu.
Tiana obatan a ono breastfeed na koyo.
Yes.
Cantonment police station.
Yes. Yeah, koye deda. O ma fi it took the next morning.
Na Afenyo Ghana.
Oh, etino. Oh. Maybe they me hu ni say. Yeah, man yourself. Sometimes it hurts. Say mukroni ni pampese obeka. All because we feel say okan na ma yukroni mbegu ase. But me the manu besi ha. Na metufu say judge a otire dwamu a Afenyo-Markin didi watem. It's on record. What's all respected that.
Law school no crowd.
Anna, when you miss out pass law exams. Afenyo is challenging the credibility of your qualification.
Circuit court judge.
Afenyo by his commentary,
lawyer.
Or question or impugn on your integrity.
Judiciary.
Which invariably would mean, sir, you are a square peg in a round hole. You are not fit for purpose. If truly, sir, would you say we are fit for purpose? You have all the credentials and the qualifications that enabled you that election for that position. Yeah,
come on.
Mepacho, cite him for the contempt he deserves. Until that is done, I am compelled to believe that Afenyo has spoken the truth, because the only thing in defense on defamation is the truth. Truth is the only
for contempt. The
only thing that can make someone be freed. Until Afenyo is cited for contempt of court, it would have meant that Afenyo has spoken to the truth. It's my lord. By my commentary, I want to suggest that it's a suggestion. I'm not compelling you to cite someone for contempt.
But what are they waiting for?
But I am suggesting to you that until you cite Afenyo to come and show evidence of your inability or your not being qualified or you're not being eligible for that position as a circuit court judge, until you cite him for contempt, for him to come and show cause for his action, I will believe that he has spoken the truth. Number two, Parliament is an August house. And as someone Afenyo-Markin bedina bedroom can, you know, is unparliamentary. And it's an intolerable behavior of a parliamentarian. He is not a law unto himself. And so I'm using this medium to advise Parliament. I think they are on recess. Immediately they convene, they should take Afenyo-Markin to the Privileges Committee.
Very well, Madam.
For a proper interrogation of the subject matter in this press conference, and for a proper investigation to be done on all the allegations he made. And that's also a Parliament, I will not respect you again, because it will mean that every parliamentarian can come and spew nonsense and gibberish. Wakobo process ya jano on inamo odi kwa asem.
This speaker atem no na mabant.
Me say the last and final statement on this, me say NDC should be serious. The party NDC should not let us down, because they are the final hope of this country.
Very well.
Etimidi manu sinu kofi abusu apani wunu abusu afro. Why abusu apani dey say opani 3 hu ye po akuma. Get serious. Now obi bowa monche no. Wo kana wanka ya monche no. Obi obedi tro bia no. Mo fa communication you know enti no. Cyber communication way no, because false news and not fake news by law. So publish any fake news and now false publication, a criminal offense. Make sure say you deal with it and stop pampering fools. Because a momo crown and mukambina and confer munya no organa hakasan kabachi or mogum and you know pampe a bomotum a ya a cabana no kanya seven comjabedum comunia de. Well, as I am a cock of Yabush opinion, so production to Mumwami, na yen sign in Sisubium, na man for and hundi a course on Timofa, a bronya diano and toso. Movia Namosandi Afenyo de number, so na Kofiabush opinion de Messi.
We are political judge. And untina dabiano ye nyakesia ye de kwa denta ho judge na wa denta circuit court one or your political judge monka create cases here nan say adenta ho police for ye ya no mo de kwa denta circuit court negotiating ben na Ghana police service any adenta circuit court no or your political judge. Judge now what adenta na ye political judge. Oni abana ye negotiation. A intimidation court and my establishing a adenta ho. Intimidation court. A nya court wa. A deliver justice. A nya court wa ye fair because Ghana police service any judge you know a negotiation. And in a case be a young denta circuit court or your political judge. One more musrasa on the catcher ono media count me out. One more musrasa on the catcher say we a political judge, you know. Media count me out. What you can do foco. Nanina yahu we a political judge and maybe baba attack 146 in the Duma. Because when you're political judge forever. When you're political because promise akoso agreement akoso promotion agreement ayadai akoso to your political judge. And in that case be a denta circuit court. Every case a denta circuit court or your political judge. Not political police if one of the court.
Masa family see Afenyo de no so na kofin to aso mami. Oda production team, more family see Afenyo de no so.
Has no respect for his own judicial oath. I don't think he read the law. That circuit court 9 judge, I have no respect for him. For a judge to say that he's remanding Abroye into BMI custody until the case is finally determined. Such a judge can never have my respect. I pray that he summons me for contempt. I will continue to disrespect him until he upholds the law. He's gone beyond his judicial function. And it is not his first. It's as if he has been selected purposely to achieve this. He doesn't talk law. I don't know whether he ever passed his law exam. It's a shame. It's a shame on the judiciary. And my Lord Bafuboni must pay attention to this. For whatever it is, it's about his legacy. I'm told by December he will be 70 and he will be gone. Is that the legacy he wants to leave after Tokonu was booted out of office? And all manner of accusation leveled against Tokonu. Is that the judiciary? Yes. The judiciary, they said they were going to reset. Is that the reset where a judge will say he is remanding an accused? Because if he allows him to go home, if he grants him bail, he is likely to talk again.
Anyway, Sunny, a boy in discussion, you know. Is 2 million watches. Be a feeling what in TV not to her. No pursue whom you see a potential ye do baby I drone. Saying the Bible by Edgemana coffee. It's a more baby.
I say,
I now my ink akuma mammy, Majanu William.
Mogabe, I say, na Michia, many money I shall funny at you for na if you do a cofar by a Julius Debra, Michiano. Na yama wangamu ene adwuma pa wa yeboa Ghana ono mampani Mugabe say Afenyo-Markin ena MPP fo se wan suwanu wan toano nareka wan hwe ni obi beka kire so umumu nye.
I prefer not to be good.
Yes say wan hwe ni pa no wan control ho a answer na mefi masem na se ne nsem okekan nyina na yese tiefu atie Proverbs mebusam mu amuhweme no obi o hweme mprempren on funny Bible kira okronkron no mu Proverbs chapter 17 verse 28 ti aseme ho
Even a fool
okwasia even okwasia onipo yo okwasia odwedwantwi ojimufo fool ojimufo oso heden
when he holds his peace.
What's it so? O kananu tumuno nkasa. O so okwasia. Obi ankrofo gide hu so we Jimmy
for.
O ahye papa were ho. O manem na eni ye wasasi so no. Obi oye kwasia bia no so kananu tumu a then
is counted wise.
Nkrofo e won chengbu no so yo nyansafo.
Jimmy for no. So kananu tumu.
Sa so we anti. Sa
even
ECOWAS Parliament could him say winning Yansa. Who constituency? Him say winning Yansa. So can one to ma.
And so that's any panel.
Wait, Jimmy, never there other than
he has shuttered his lips.
Yes,
and is esteemed as a man of understanding.
It is all canano to be himself when Yansa about Bill. Proverbs chapter 27, 27, verse 22. And Sanamen Kamasem Mugabe. You see, Sankofu in Ghana. Proverbs chapter 2 Bible Nekasa 27 verse 22. See, Okwasia Kuriana Tieni about
though you grind a fool in the matter.
Correct, Kajetia preaching the air and Ose. Even at all, so Kwasian when Jibia, what in the fra a bro. Now the new go be room. Now we see can what's soon fra. So what this is your
grinding him like grain in a pestle. You will not remove their fully from them.
Wait, Jimmy forever.
Mister, a bro who ba
are yet indelible.
Yes, a bro who to be see who in Kagna Yenny machine, Yedi, and a bro near Pensi, a bro na yapo no. Quite na ye no ye di obra yo no yes so ha e hopo ntata wan ne ahu so bon se ntata wan nyina akọ na bro no ha we di the Bible kan so bi o ye kwasea no wagim no yo dwodwantwi no onim nyansa
so Jimmy sa na o de ne fra na pese wo to Jimmy ni mana wo de ne fra bro ni siw na eye enti so
ese wo de akasa akura adware na enko Jimmy ni enko
enti so to fu afre wo to fu inside
na be tira wa
ya na no crazy
mo kwa na nkroma no
kofi abusa didi asia krokro na nia jo krokro so ho
kofi no kume
so na
wo de isa akasa mu kura
pa ye ne obeye no wajimi enti dia wo ka da me do fu aso just say onipa no aye said that wo sebi o wo yam wakodi nkwasi asem ema wo yam atu why ko toilet ayo hu poto ye gwaru we de asia agba mu hwiase amo de do asi oni ye gwaru wa na asa na ne wo ka mo
wa
I say eya kosi so say nsem bi akane de Japan kana mre bi no
MPP for sa video no ho amomo anya you see there's some particular
individual can nyina no Bible no na
so kunkura kasi ho so kunkura kasa se bi nyina to ho
so majimi
so bi ho wa jimi a wo ye ne den
wajimi
to say there's nothing that he can do to clean that person
says the Lord
onipa wo frɛ no sa Afenyo-Markin say tiase mo ka kire judge no this is an officer of the court
yes
Afenyo a lawyer onu no to be kotoko nu anim Supreme Court within 1 hour no Supreme Court to me assemble judges
controlling
but for the record are you aware say or you took onumia?
Yes, I am aware.
Yes,
I am aware. Yes,
they are family.
They are family.
Wow.
No. From Winneba.
Because
Afenyo papa na ye agbeni. Ni mami free. Yes.
So we say otoko no ne uncle na Lawrence mu ebo no ti no. Nti sa na le yi ti ya.
That's the lineage.
Nti no person oye be please the appoint all.
So you now can believe me when I tell you the MPP lawyer knows the judge and not the law.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
This is serious.
Yes. Mugabe, who an officer of the court nankawo. Woman winning mrawo.
As a lawyer.
Me kasa already osu Mugabe anya ne wo.
Ba wonya lawyer.
Me lawyer, but man on to pay ni bia wo krom ada. That don't know because this is for the way muna. Was sorry why you pay the phone and I walk on jira and I'm busy o say. One MPP for na woman appoint one appointees no. Woman positions akese no. Wo say me Kofi Ebusapene Felix Munko me amejira fanti dia kwa pemi ni ba. Onzo bi afre ma ko police station da. Se ma ya obi da. E be see that. Enso won kofu na woji won ko Supreme Court so won anu ato Supreme Court for. Sabi o kudi say John justice with mercy. Nanka baby a otuo atio. Umunu Afenyo-Markin so omu ade. Omu bia wo ba be veti okuja to ablakwa ode no
Omane
ode no ma chiri opachawo okan ya de ko France okuja to akofa de yere ene ade aba be kire ho oboa ode ye bu fere so buntaka okopachawo ode aye first deputy speaker bu fere ne say first deputy speaker the first deputy I have for or the idea no munu the bio
Bernard are here for Esquire.
No, sorry, no, sorry. With all this due respect, let's give respect to each other. This guy, this very guy, Tina Sabo Ebiana no catch a judge. Nature say, Onukra no ya law no or ya lawyer no ya mrenimino. Now on him judge in a so jinaso. Mugabe, when him a chief of Mutim Munim the judge in a sano. The prosecutor na some catch a judge and say, Abronye no, or case back or court of foforo. Na woman bail no, and or dear cookie casan same way at the judge no. Into a general catch a judge and it's a judge, so man bail be more, but I could catch off or two for,
which is legitimate.
Based on this. Because we're putting some food at another court. I know be a woman
Ghana here.
I don't know woman bail so Obekaya. Watching a brilliant woman bail. Obekai. So Ghana for team in Abakai. This is a case in the Pandio. And who yet?
And a full Abakai.
And what's that money bill? What's that cooking away? I say, Obiama obey no what's sign bond. Now you go against your own bond. I will sign. It's a prosecutor no Gina so catch say.
We near can say, oh, bon, you Jariwa, who sat
the Tragum.
I said, Jimmy, no
bon. We are
to Yamo Danta, now sang the fantasy.
Yet you Kennedy Kayane, I'm Rouse. Production team of Phantom Mammy.
Unions are the MPP for needy couple. MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, woman needy couple. Jimmy Pa. Jimmy Oma Jimmy book. MPP for book. They will stay in opposition forever. Nkwasia for pa. My Jimmy MPP for Jimmy. Me who be dead. Stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. If you answer the MPP for needy couple. MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer.
Prosecutor. Yes. China prosecutor and kind. Also, however, prosecutors strongly opposed the application, insisting that the accused was already facing a similar charge before another court, and that the alleged offense was committed while he was on bail.
On bail.
So Afenyo, who's a lawyer. This guy, he called himself a lawyer, an officer of court, of the court. Nelson, you apologize on the sir. Mugabe, Wokayan say judge no tisono, Kumson no, judge or your political judge, and yes, sir. If we say when choose, if we say why you know, or you then. Onuna prosecution a course MPP abrisu nyinara 8 years what they find us. All the political cases. That judge in Miami say one. Onuna the injunction to NDC for Ghana say my demonstration. Do you remember? Do you remember that they went to court? Police kokacha and say one fan injunction into Yamsu my demonstration and she did it. She granted that you know
Graciously.
NDC for your G2 course. So what has changed?
Nasa judge bi ana wodi Dr. Severo Punini Agongo asem.
Mononuga.
Ano oko retirement. Yes anka so on.
So medi onjeli ni pama. Hwe oyene babuama oni oye ne den. Wa munya na mo ne tie yi ohene babuama ko fa tape wo say kaku skirt tape. Yes sir.
Yes.
I know boy. Oza asema wa kani no be ka bi. MPP before they go to 14 days. Onipa na MPP fu anu dem ki say ahia. Fira yi ni wo mu dem.
Why?
Ashia fira yi na ashia abo no oya person da no hu kisia na ni dua dia chere won anu dem saa no sa police ni na wo use ni na wo de chere wo de tata MPP for the same policeman dua the same policeman and o tata won 8 years ni pa wo use no address kunta no ba no ko chere ndisi ni no aye sen onko ba bia
nothing has changed.
Police training no wo de man anu anu wo.
The institutions ni yeju.
The institution is working.
Court no hwe nsesan.
Dabi.
Ana the odi achire the odi kan na.
It's just simple. Who ko fa jata ba fie be man milk. No nyinga obachire wo mawe. And that is what is going on now.
Kofi famisi.
Mugabe, obi ayo obi aboni o. John Mama memu NDC ni pani bie ni ho a odi MPP ni akokot.
Ba we eye omo organizer ne sema odi abana o se kasa enyini kasa ye no se omo be mema omo mutu ene ade weapons na omo ats mountain omo aye se NDC ane aban na anye bibi afasa ade no a ombe ma oman ni mu asai.
Mugabe sa se no kan no Lugas DVL boss we yi na no perfect clean. When you know pepe no so no so your berma sebi you na do kai for bia de mienu no on famra. You see these are the things wo pese wo di bonia woye sa in opposition and wo kofa Serbians in South Africans ba kuro ya. These are the things immediately now the state agency no you see the state agency immediately you stop them. Sa acti what the adwuma eno no what the gina so the adwuma 8 years. Criminal and Offences Act 208 is still there and changing here.
208 so
some law here at the Criminal and Offensive Act 208 and Act 1960 Act 29 and no what that's the Juma.
Nothing has changed.
Now and no idea the woman say what to be the charge me but our friend a offensive conduct and false publication. And boy ya was your friend a sandos your friend there no a false publication. What kwa obi product obi adwuma waye intellectual yi ni billboard siwo and wakwa edit and I would have to Facebook na ka chance we ya wo outside adwuma and onipa na ko report to ma police no ma kire wo and this kwa the woman then wo kuru yara wa bonye wo na wo so wo oberima na judge no oni munyansa wo hu so ko judge school ban oni ma chiro onu kura o chiro tantan to be ready kuna okay no se brabe yiwa no wo ni abana nya asem wo ni judge na nya asem
community omunam omo ko yede
forget it who can say wo so woni ne ekoso time abronye yawo Duncan Williams no wo ni ma the MPP for ye they only disassociate themselves from the speech sad no they just disassociate themselves and they never apologize to Duncan Williams and the Christian communities. They never want to be apologizing to Duncan Williams. What they did there, the same Abronya no. Okay, can some poor Duncan Williams also for paying. MPP for the same round. Emrana what they was watching on Abusun. No the chichi and this phone. Mamibu Ghana ha. Wo friend Salamatu. O se na ne ho akere no emosu o se niema boa ye dinga mafede ne da de senkro de adwuma na na do meje no mu no ne imam for won ko mo kire ma me no they arrested that woman and then when oba be se o do se ma ho kire ba ma ne ma for kro o tumi fidi won na do meje de da de senkro ne fe on fa je ne obeye they arrested that woman the same law owo osofu payino wo su bempa wo awadamfo anya bibi fu na chiri ndin kan of kobo ne namu wompam
ebra panyin
also fu bi wa okoka chebi hu asem so be kaya MPP fu ni na nado mo and the MPP they arrested that also and we sanction ni kotokum
yes
they planted we on the pastor
Ghana
what are they talking about MPP fu then here
Jimmy ni wo
make a choice say uporo who say then is there now me cultural state institution the state agency say they should be mindful and watchful
more money now
no steps PMPP futu no one more there one na ye won adwuma me nya officer of the court me nya bia anamo biara wo betu na MPP for start ye beye we no one more there no won so won ano MPP futu mu court mo bi otie gwam wo koburu mutu ni wig jajo enyo bi akeke na Afenyo ugina ho na JBA eye good self Felix kwachi ofusu etumi apusu onunum ni ache de kankan say JBA etumi aba out aba be condemn Afenyo abe yiano ewom was better late than never abe yiano but we want them also to come out strongly now Ghana or General Legal Council no they should invite Afenyo bafo wo MPP wo friend bafo wo Jerry sa kwa na offer say baba mando say wama who said we judge no okasa na dwinu rough said now I don't do that I will abuse the judge onam ho free obi anya no hwe wo so okraman anum wo so wo anum ahwe wo say hwe nim na ntumi nya wo hwe the next move no will run away so the state security and those who are in charge of our state no e wo yen security nsem no no wo momo de nsem bra be ya adwuma se enyu obi a na MPP fu anya eye mra e wo ho na wo de gu adwuma no enu ana eye da adwuma
enti ko fi Duncan Williams de no tie
me say
production team of Phantom mame
te wura dam no wason nom na osa no on ne wo afura wawe nsama na fudi nanim robra urobo nkrofo nyina wie ya wo se wasakra sa sika na nso odi na mudidi Duncan William no machia a wo mo na se so mo ya asofo a obi anim se odi kan kwa urobre edi tuo agige nkrofo sika nyina ose sa sika ni twa wate asori wodi mu sika nyina ose eswa afedo odi awura politics mu who born dog Duncan William, who are you wo ya wo to ose Nyankopon nim wo teme mabronye wo Duncan Williams wo yi na wo kra Nyankopon asakra wo Duncan Williams wo se nyame asakra na me ntwintu onkum nipa da me nkɔ urobreda me na Nyankopon sakra me wo Duncan Williams wo se Nyankopon wo sra wo so wo da wo hu bibi wo Duncan Williams wo so ya sofo teme mabronye ametia wo yi because of say me conconsa voice how good say father I command because of say me mo san kwase ampaye nti me no me de nyame ni me because wo de otim bia ohwenem mo mpa ne kwase ampaye ni bi mbeto so ne mo
ye ntwa so atiefu se atiefu ankasa ate
wa first seni wa
fagun seni na kari
fantastic
so bible kura ka che so wunuma bedi wachi papa bi me wo friend egladodu no ye Pentecost so pe asopani wawu otutu na ne tiri we white no preaching, you know, say so ba asase so ube wi ankokwa onyuma bedi wachi nda obedu nyame ani mbo nse nkokɔ ne di wachi hwe nti omu kodu nyame ani opam won kura wo se won ko onyuma obeye no wodo
the stay safe campaign from NPA na e ka kire o say okoto say fuel tanker bi da former men ko ho say wo kwa pay fuel ana say wo kwa ye bibia e wo ho san say o ben pe obeje won kwa be free wonsem nti e ka kire o so wo drive wo say wo take care mo no say fuel tanker bi ato a say diesel na wo say petrol and gas highly inflammable so wo ben ho ne jatum say wom asema befie mu nyina mo bahwe mu nkwa tenno enama NPA National Petroleum Authority wo mo de aba betu dwa say so wo se bibisa Asia Ghana National Fire Service for na Ghana Police Service for no mo mra sin ho se de be a wo mo betumi edi bibia ba under control. Center number na yede ato say bibi eba frɛ 0302 550380 0302 550380 ofra omo beje wo so Medimosis Clinic and Eba Center womo na de medical capsules de aba edwaso enu wunya bia eboa yie papa manipadua ne ginigina ne naso na foforo kora womo de aba sisi e ka ho asem de lift kit capsules na lift kit capsules no so no wunya bi na se obobo a eboa ema supporto wo liver function no eboa ma brebo ne gina ne naso etumi ema nipadua no moja timi ekoba di nipadua ne mafusa ne yie esan eboa ema wunya ahoden watimi de adi juma boa digestion so ntine ye kanfo lift kit capsules every Medimosis so the amount pharmacy shop eba so bia be wurem no okwa so per lift kit capsules for Medimosis doctor 0244 068447 0244 068447 ofra Medimosis obeje wo so Divine Hope Eba Center omone de wo twa heba pada enemote omonka wo de wo adwadi ho nkrato edi kan abre yen nduro ni ye papa pebi nanom pharmacy shop eba so bi obewrem no wo benya bi ato Safari Valley Eco Resort wo hotel in the Eastern region eba wildlife experience a obi ajomatum ene wo do aso ye ho a environment we serene ostrich and zebra antelope see no moko na omo eba efrekeke nti wo so so anya wodofo bi na ye ne birthday ana say eja busua mo free akwantu mo maba bedru Ghana ha America foi Britain foi ne Netherlands foi mo am was Scandinavian countries no wo bedru na opa bia bia obejojo ho no abusua mbajojo mo kama de a enne na wo de ani ayeden a kire Safari Valley Eco Resort wo mo hotel in the Eastern region wo mu nuane ye kama am several local and continental dishes wo mo swimming pool no mo san wo gym ewo asoye ho from 059 6914394 059 6914394 ofra Safari womo ebeje su dew ewo Kre constituency ewo Eastern region as natural mineral water ensuo no enie na ensuo die enua ne birthday ogire birthday enua wochina enua ma wonse o ma be fa bebre Grace Lumba wife echina wodi ni birthday ensu ya na edidi birthday ogire mo fa ni picture no to so ma me na che birthday in advance nyame ya aduma eye ochina ena ye na woda na che osufuo yi mefu wo papa na odiwia na eye yenua ba eye Akwele Milispab no no so adi onu so diwia na Kevin Asante so adi na Kevin de wo so opeka na sisi ameka say wo so opeka ne mom the incoming deputy national organizer of the NDC eye Lydia Double wo so obema ne bicycle so be man bicycle
double ne hoye
double hoye papa so be man bicycle birthday na bedi nyina ni so edidi S natural mineral water so abra S wazi broadcast ha dudu obi ape obenya owura oboshi shop won so dudu obi ape obenya mekom shop bia wo gan ha bia no owura ma wo se wo pe S natural mineral water bi na se ye the S cool so e de aba ya wo ba ha obenya bi okọ oboshi shop obenya bi eno so shops awudo ni nyina no wo ma ha se e ba bitu bra ne betu wo ba Mama also open Mr. Robert Fridays o mo friend na sorry ba okofo junction no so okono oba na nisu hu ade pa nti wo ba na be hu Mr. Robert ya wo sabe tumi aka opedo sopo no so a se fa ngu track mo famre wa no afre 059 6273546 059 6273546 wo fra ye beje wo so Asira kese PSC Koma Power Specialist about hospital ye mama edu ya na free was hepatitis A B C D ana yiyi bi na to fatty liver sciatica prostate minua mema no saa so na wono peni ba bi na atechema ana ye ulcer na how component su minima ye fibroid tutumirika ye na fu na kire ye mama edu ya ho na ontumi emwa fi ya silic bosom twen continency aputu kwano so ene judgeable filling station ne din hwe ne mu e won kra hanso no ye wokwabenya Poku CCP kwantempon no so takrade ye wanaje estate ye be anaje MA primary school no obetimi afre ye mami e wo 0244544422 0244544422 modo eye automobile and construction consult mo na free wo se eba eye Chinese use cars o mu ginam eba eye F movers like tipper trucks and excavators ya wo mo eye second to none eba construction machines ya omuginam general goods or omo ho other services be to say warehousing Chinese business visa acquisition ni nyina no wo de kodan model automobile and construction consultant omo betimi ahwema bibia konkan de amount omo ye adwuma adwada kosi fiada anopa no kron kosi anwumre nunum eda memenda omo ba anopa no ndunum apon no mienu from 0257280656 0257280656 anaso be hwema kira kwan e wotema akoso mu road no so before a hot oven bakery omo ewo NS Cames building no first floor wodi oni kire ho a omo ebetumi ahwe ama bibia so etimi akonkan kama edi ama Patrick Ndego wo so ta ho a otie eni adofo etie nyina no akasema do nson na abo no nsia hye no so ebo no nsia enwumre no nsia kase ebo ebeba ewo TVS was etana power 97.9 FM so well America no yenza vanhwe ada issues no minim si enhwe economy ne kakra na se sene o mine yesi
ebedi MPP fo achia na adwuma pa adwo mahama ebo
no so yemo no kakra mo check time na aka no motima ye no 5 minutes na me 2 minutes asami
okay Ogabi to borrow the kind words of
Maukosi
hey Mauko ho utin kan che agosi dem ne na yaka Wini si wa yaka.
Oh, kovia busa banyu si wo me da me no nya aka.
Si wo me no yaka.
Si wo me no nya aka agbasi se gba fi ame de me no nya aka.
Wini na yaka.
Yo.
Me na yaka.
COP eye Frimpong director.
Ba me fa konya wesu. Hey.
Wanu mi se ni de. Ya support ye na se no so ko perform.
Oh yes. Oh, nice man.
No,
COP Frimpong.
Oh, okay.
Director General.
Oh, okay.
In charge of finance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Fosi Kenya.
Apple man so chiao.
Apple man, and Apple J. Yanko.
Una okay.
Ye di adwendi de chia e behwe fra. Na se wo hwe sabi nyoma MPP fo ya Ghana for nimdie ni nyansa pamomo akosi abontin biri o machi ahwe a enema papa owura Mahama eye no hwa ne yetwa agachire enti mamini kan enchia eye omampani na memmo na baso one na pamfo nyina ne adwuma pa omo ebo economy no ye buy baby na ejina nya kra so we share the economic indices ne baby ana oman no ebo bia in terms of isikasem akwakodura eje say ya ye oman a ye pa ye ho a ye hu ya sinim oman a ne manfo timpenten kwa a chese eto ahodo aban na ejeje a sebi utena se na odwen ho a it's not as if say na aban no enya sikapudo bi dada wagina oman ni nyina na mu agebosia as at the time of move fra ban mu no na running into about 871 billion revenues nka ho besian kwa akufado no magye eche say oman we no baabi ana ejina na enyina ye na me kai say platform we aso yo opposition na me kai say John Mahama se wo de ntumago mana obetimi adane ntumago nani amana ye kinta ma de fra na akufo ado de se de oba de sefo kwaku basashi ade wo de kente mana obedane ne ntumago ampa so odane kenta John Mahama de ma no ne ntumago ema kente no eye ntumago no ono pe any president a oba abemu no na yeja no IMF o konsoso na ono so oja IMF enti IMF na odi ye call the 17th time no na chese akwa bibi se ekwan bia so no e wo se ahunyehi aba omanfo so na so owura Mahama bempa a sebio tikesi ewi adwe a wanhwe ya utwam abeka se o adwe ya mre papa onu se bia the skill na ewi na appointments wona o ma o mukode da asoya ahodo ano obi ti sa to forcing odi ne call finance ministry odi ampem kan ho wiye o se da bi go da ye o manfo ajapade a yetu no ma we mu no emu fakese na akwa amanone nti mamen pe kwan bi so na men nanye ni ma gold so mra Ghana ni so emfaso no we no se gold no say no se na ma ye koko board in the past no na ye bibia enu so be ma gold no so aba Ghana ni so emfaso koko so ba emfaso no na gold so e ba emfaso we eye sebi adwempa ewo bempetri mu a ono no ade beda adima sanye gold board ne baaya ka koko enye nisi a amanone ne bo ehwanye baaya ne koko fuo tempentin kwa na susu sebi omampani se me koto koko na fa ne se me to koko no 100 cedis a mama 90 cedis na me mafa 10 obi de na penso koto koko no 100 cedis a o ma 32 cedis and no fa 68 and so we yema owura Mahama ade a waye no sebi enye enkwanhia ne be hia no a enka koko sami kura no enka unyadodo a enko be mo 70%. Yes, because ana no waka na ohu se nkwanhia banti no so de me sa de 20% ayeden asa piu so eti se kenya nsa ana John Mahama ade na pamfo omudi gu apaso se ekwan bia so yenya gold no gold board na gold board no so entimi magana fo nya sika bi emfi gold mu a enka yese nka koko ade asemba yi enki enya ba bia enya sisi achiba enti no Oma yade ye bo oma baso na ye se nyampa mo se de onim to ne de gina trempon so omo nkoso ano omo nto omo afota omo achi na de ehia ye titiriu ni se ekomi Ghana aduane abu kwani ni sofa aban no so de farm produce ne friend say enioma akade a omo de be ye adwuma ne ma omo na mo ne yesre omo omo na nipa ho ha omo titiriu ni akoko akuafo ya sesi omo nsuo no omo ho ha omo na anyesa na ye ko yenim enso na ebimu eti akachi ekọ ekura no ensema me kwoti wo ho no kokofo no aweho wo ho but omo nyina di tum se koko no enye Jomahama na aba amana yesa na emu nkwansha na ahia no ti ebe sere omo so se ni omo so ti ase sa no economy no ebe yeye ama sabi sese uko koto nioma obi agya tum se nioma bo abafom nti yabo ma baso kero ma bibia ma mesanka mu omo mani nko bibia ho kama na omanfo nya amoto
eda se moga menu Listowell ka baby who's economy no say nyame adom ye gina ne nanso aka say nioma bi wo wa ye betoto ne kakra because the first time Ghana under previous administration you to me kopebosia eburu ene omo bosia outside. But based on Nimidia, a Greek minister, Poku, and the Abetoto Nema Kwemono, says ye will food security for 6 solid months. So in cases to Yerencham to Ghana, 6 months, young Cocaradian.
And a reserve on 15 months.
15 months today, the other boy. So if it's able to be 2028, you know, about 15 months, and play, you want more than 9 months. I had to be a boy, no, Abisi Sabri. 6 months. Of food buffer security and a Diana Poku at media boy. Well, to me, I am a tomatoes are Burkina Faso. And to be do one which I say, yeah, mom, my fire in an Osene, Wakofa company, Biaba Ghana, Yafrewam, farm mates. Also, they are going to produce tomatoes are 600,000 metric tons every year. Young Burkina Biam. This what? Yes, upon me, Mama, ye young and economy in Yano. 1 11 Munkais will be here if you are. COVID tax will be here if you are. Emission tax, a tax will be here if you are. Betting tax will be here if you are. But this man is still every day. A Numa to Numa, young Copper Bosia. Ewo baby aye Mugabe. So the ministers award Bebadi. Make on the 6th June. Beba so the ye ni munkrofo be wiri ye ni munkrofo be ko wani Mugabe me time 1 minute da ka no mean to be maha me kasa just 3 minutes me 1 minute da ka be 3 minutes no mean to be na maha me na nkrofo bi ase na bisiu. Oh, me baby. Yes, me boni di achia no. Me hu na chede, but they say me chia no. Ye nua ba bi a wodna ye responsible community mining na ye no. Amma mausi orebo adwuma papa. Ye wi a ye nua bia mago. Mago. Obeda bi mago. Me nua bia wo de me nso be nti mago ye chia. Wo nim say edoji tamakro MPA boss. In Kenya, when a demonstration was shorted of fuel, and walk on Tokau, and they were fuel. And my to me started to say, Baba, a pilot, a 24-hour economy filling station. Yes, and a Samijan fee is working hard. And also go so. If any combat tour. Now when him say you are very maybe your friend Gabi assuming Gabi yes you know 1 week in here 21st May what say your friend baby Adako Jachi Ejuso yes into woman nyina yen kobua yen papa kotoko won o team papa won me meet me Olympics to let that day nkonson Gabi yes Gabi hey na Gabi nipa bre o party mo so Gabi sati ye wi a ye nema ne asanitano yeah, but what the type and committee no headquarters are no light. NDC headquarters no light. Near Tiabontina to Barry. Yanko Jaw Yenu Aberma Gabi na Yamuano. Yam Papa
Abraham Kumsin so Yamaha Ayebeja no
Nepila Kufo ne
hey the Blues Baba two names so chia and Aston P
but say EMP a deliver 100% second one EMP a deliver nti afei amanfo da so criticize ana
abuaka
what so me kase obi adwene wo form a on say I don't have any doubt
yes
okay